So you clicked on this video because you wanted to know how to make a cloak without a pattern, and I'm here to help you with that. So first you're going to figure out your yardage. I'm going to put in the description how to figure out how many yards you need of fabric, and then you're going to cut a piece for your hood. You can go ahead and cut off a whole yard for your hood, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm just, laying it flat, cutting it out, and if you don't have a cutting mat, you can just lay it on the floor or on your table and cut it that way. You take that piece and you put it away. Now you're going to take the rest of your fabric, and what you're going to do is, when you buy your fabric, like say you go to Joann's or Hobby Lobby or some place like that, they fold it to where the selvages are touching. What you're going to do is you're going to take it, you're going to open it, and you're going to lay it widthwise. That way it's all big and open and not slim like it was before when it was on the fabric bolt. Once that's laying, what you're going to do is you're going to take one corner and you're going to bring it over so that the fold and the selvage are meeting. Lay your ruler down, and however long you want it is what you're going to do. Personally, I didn't want mine to be too long, which is why I didn't do my actual measurement for cape fabric or cloaks. But you're going to follow the instructions that I have for you in the description. And when you cut it, you're going to have a little piece at the beginning where you're going to cut however long or however big you want your neckline. I cut down about 8 inches, and that was what you saw there. I cut 8 down when it was folded, and then you're going to measure out how big your neckline is. And that's going to be important because how long your neckline is what your total length for the end of your hood is going to need to be. So basically the neckline of your hood is going to be half of that. This is the shape I want. There are a couple different shapes you can use, but basically the edge or the end where your neck or the neck of your hood and the neck of your cape meet, that's where you're going to have those inches. Mine was about 18 inches at the bottom, and that's when it's folded. When it's open, that is your total. Now we're just going to pin our hood, and make sure you're pinning your hood on the curved side, not the opening, not the straight side, because that's going to be your opening. It should look like this before you hem it and do all this beautiful stuff to it. Oh yeah, I like mine nice and big, and you can see it perfectly lays on my head. Now you're going to do it, and you're going to do about 5/8 on your machine. You can do it however small, however little you need it to be. But yeah, you're just gonna go on through. So all you have to do is hem it. If you have a seam gauge, that's perfect. You can use that to hem your cape. If not, go ahead and fold it over 1/4 of an inch and then fold it over one more time. Now when you're doing the hood of your cloak, you're gonna go ahead and attach it the way you would normally. You're just going to take the neckline of each, make sure that right sides are facing, always right sides facing, and match them up.
Alright. I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, hoping that you don't run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of your posts. And I'm just tryna play it cool now. But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, you know. You make it difficult to not overthink. And when I'm with you, I turn all shades of pink. I wanna touch you, but don't wanna be weird. It's such a rush, I'm thinking, wish you were here. And I'm just tryna